Alright guys, so for a lot of you all out there who have not heard about the down Airdrop, which we are running currently on our browser, they recently launched their dashboard, which is where I am right now. So you can see right here there on that dashboard, you can see it is now showing my total earning right here, and of course it now showing my current pouch, and of course right here guys, a lot of things are showing up right here on their dashboard. So this is just the latest update right now concerning this project, but I still believe there are a lot of people out there who haven't yet started this down Airdrop, which we all have been riding for quite a while right now. So if you're the type of person who haven't started this downs Airdrop, then trust me, you are missing out big time. All right, so if you are an old user or someone who has been into this already, use the link right there on the video description to set up your own dashboard so that it's gonna be looking like mine right now. But if you are someone who is just getting started with this Airdrop, or who is willing to get started, what you need to do is very simple. And one thing about this Airdrop is that it won't stress you. You really try, don't have to do anything. All you have to do is simply create your account and you are done. All right, so once you create your account on this downs Airdrop, you are done with this. So you need to get started right now and keep claiming your point. You don't even need to come and claim. Once you are connected to the internet, that is all that is required from you. So for you who is there trying to get started with this downs Airdrop, what you need to do is to simply click the link which I'll be dropping right there on the video description box. Once you click the link, you are going to be brought right here. Okay, you are going to be brought right here where you are going to be required to add the down extension to your extension. So over here guys, you can see these are the list of my extension. You can see I have my down validator extension right here. So what you need to do is simply use Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser, so you can be able to do this. If you are using a Chrome browser or your normal inbuilt Google browser, you are not going to be able to do this. So you need to make sure you are using your Chrome browser or your Mrs. browser for you to do this on your mobile device. Okay, so what you need to do is simply come over here. You need to add it to your extensions, and once you add it to your extensions, then you click on this extension button right here. For some people, the extension button is going to be down here. So but for my device, I'm going to be having my extension button right here. I will click on it, and once you click on it guys, you can see this is it right here, down validator extension. You click on it. Once you click on it, the first thing they're going to be requiring you to do is to log into your account. All right, so but if you are creating an account for the first time, that is if you haven't logged in already, you are going to be required to use your email and create your account. And once you create your account, that is all. You don't need to stress, you don't need to click anything, you don't need to come over here and check in daily, you don't need to stress in any way. All you have to do is simply create your account like this. And once you've added your extension, then you go ahead and log in. You can either create your account on the browser version, or you can create your accounts right here on the extension, which all the links are going to be right there on the video description box. And once you have created an account, you are done. That is all you need to do. And you need to know that this project is actually recognized by Solana blockchain itself. Solana has actually talked about this project for many times right now. Okay, so one thing you need to do again is to click on boost reward, and once you click on boost reward, you are going to be required to follow their social media account. And after following their social media account, you are going to be getting certain amounts of points, like 500, 1000 sometimes, and that is literally all you need to do. So once you are creating your account, remember to use this referral code right here to create your account. I'll be leaving the referral code also on the video description box. And once you have created your account, then you are done. And once you come over here to your dashboard, you are going to be having it like this. You can see it is showing your earning, everything is just like this. And once you have gotten to this point, you are completely done with this Airdrop. All you need to do is simply wait on our Telegram channel, because if any new updates drops about this project, we are going to be sharing it with you guys, and we are going to be letting you guys know the next action to take. So go ahead and set up your own account and leave it running. Just make sure you are connected, no stress, no hassle, no daily login. All you have to do is simply set your account like this and you are done. All right, so this is the latest update right now about the downs Airdrop validator, which we are farming currently. Do not forget to set up your account, and of course do let me know what you think about this project right there on the comment section, and do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you on the next video that's going to be dropping very soon.